Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. We announced a winner last week and Miss Donna Taylor did respond. So Donna, congratulations once again, and let us know in the comments what you cook with. Your first thing you cook in it. Let us know how it went. But anyway, we are making some Cajun chicken pasta. This is a delicious meal with some crusty bread, and I hope you guys enjoy it. But here I have, you can either do three large boneless chicken breasts, or you can do the 4 medium like I have. Okay, and we're gonna be generous with your spice, and everything you need will be in the description. But I'm gonna season both sides of these. And I'll flip them around and do the other sides. Okay, I have some butter and some olive oil here. A couple tablespoons of olive oil and a good tablespoon of butter. You're going to cook this chicken about 5.5 to 6 minutes per side. If your chicken breasts are large, you may want to cook them 6 minutes. The medium ones, I usually go for 5.5 minutes per side on medium high. So we want to get these nice and brown. Okay, and we're not going to flip them. We're just going to let them get nice and almost like a blackened chicken. We're going to get them nice and dark. Okay, so I'm going to go 5 minutes per side, guys. I've gone about 5.5 minutes on these because these are pretty thick. See there how they're blackened? But they're not going to taste burnt. That's just your spices there. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And we'll cook these another 5.5 minutes on the other side. Okay, I finished my chicken up and I put it on a plate and I covered it tightly with some foil. That way if it's not quite done, it'll carry over cook that chicken just right. Okay, so in my pan here, I have some butter, some garlic, and you're just going to cook this garlic for maybe 2 minutes, but not on high. Just until it's fragrant and softens up a little bit. Okay? Okay, now meanwhile, while this is sauteing, go ahead and get you a pot of water boiling. Follow the directions on your box. We are using some penne pasta. If y'all want to get you some of this, just follow the directions on the box. And get that cooked up to however you want, al dente you want it, soft or more chew to it, or however you like it. Okay, this has been going a few minutes. Throw my scallions in there, some green onions. That's 1/3 cup in here. And let these go for maybe 20 seconds or so. We're not looking to really brown anything here, so just make sure it's on low. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add our cream. And I'm going to get my teaspoon over here with my seasoning. We're going to add some more of that Cajun seasoning to the cream here. Teaspoon there in there. And we're going to let this cook. Don't bring it to a boil. Just let it cook on medium. Okay? Probably good 5-6 minutes, just till it's nice and warm. All right. Almost forgot my black pepper and lemon pepper here, guys. Okay, we got about 5 minutes on that. Okay. Now we have our Parmesan cheese. Slowly add it till... What you're doing here is bringing that cream up to temperature enough to melt our Parmesan here. But we don't want to boil our cream, as I said. And just have it on low just until that cheese is melted. Okay. Now what I like to do with my chicken is cut this really thin, right straight across. That chicken's perfectly cooked. Now you want to try to cut this thin as you can because you just get a way better flavor that way, and your chicken is nice and tender. Because if you cut it thick, it's just not the same. So cut it right across the grain and just cut it real thin, thin as you can get it. And that's where we're at right now, guys, okay? Okay. I got my sauce here on warm. I hope this pan's big enough. And then we're going to add our cooked penne pasta here. I always use that other pan when I make this. We'll see. If not, a little bit of pasta staying out. Okay, now we're just going to mix this. And I'm going to throw in some finely chopped tomatoes. Can y'all see that? Just a few, because we'll put some on the top as well. Just a few. Maybe a 1/4 cup of scallions, fresh. We'll throw those in. This is flavor. And let me get my chicken. My chicken, Curtis is over here eating this like he's starving out of his mind. But
chicken sure is good.
Yeah, I got onions and stuff. But see how nice and thin that chicken's cut, guys? Now you can cut it smaller than that if you want. You can cut it smaller if you want. And just stir it in. You could tear it up, cut it up, whatever you want to do with it. But I'm going to get this mixed up, and we'll top the rest of it off with some more tomatoes, some more scallions. That's optional. You could put more on your plate. But we'll just get this all stirred in, and we'll top it off. All right. Okay, guys, there's the finished Cajun chicken pasta, and it is delicious. Now, when I got it all stirred together, got the chicken, I just put a little bit on the top here to make it look pretty for y'all. There's no measurement for the tomatoes or the green onions, what you want on it. You don't even have to put those tomatoes or onions. But if you like tomatoes and onions, or scallions, that is flavor. It is so flavorful with this pasta. So, Ryan, he's desperate. Come over here, son, so you can try this with them. I'll get a scoop of this out here for y'all. And just leave it on top of the stove with a lid on it. Keep it on warm. Look at there. And you can grab you some chicken from the top, but there's plenty of chicken in here. And you can have some tomatoes and green onions for extra garnish. Let me get this out of the way. And just, if it's not hot enough for you, pop it in the microwave. But it is delicious. Here you go, Ryan. Go ahead and try that, son. You guys know already, Curtis ain't touching it. Scallions, he won't even eat those, or the tomatoes.
Tried it last time.
That good?
It's really good.
How much did you eat last time, Ryan?
Like three.
Literally, guys, I think he ate half the pan. And I had a little bit, and my husband ate the rest, which was
That's really good.
last month, I think I made this. It was last month?
Yeah.
Something like that, close to a month ago. But I wanted to share it with y'all. It's a delicious meal. I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, everything is in the description. Please like and subscribe as always. And we will see you guys next Sunday. Love y'all. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.